Hi everyone, my name is Jenna Porter and I am really excited to be here with you today. Welcome to our instructional video on how to fold a 5-petal envelope. In this lesson, students will be creating these envelopes with illustrations of the 5 themes of geography. Let's get started. First, students will cut out their template along the outline using scissors. And now I'll start cutting it. Once you cut out your template, let's begin folding. For step 1, you're going to fold your envelope on the designated lines to create the 5-petal folds. Now that you have your 5 folds, you will begin to label the outside flaps with the 5 themes of geography. Now open up your envelope to reveal the empty spots where you will draw. Inside each of your 5 shapes, use colored pencils or other drawing materials to create your illustrations for each of the 5 themes of geography. And there you have it. Your 5-petal envelope with the 5 themes of geography is complete. You can use your envelope as an instructional tool to review your 5 themes anytime throughout the year. Thank you for watching.